Good morning, everyone. Today I will help you to learn some facts about the birds. The mass of a peregrine falcon equals to 0.7 to 1 to 4.5 kilogram. Speed peregrine falcon 390 km/h. Clutch size of a peregrine falcon equals to 3 or 4. Scientific name Aves. A higher classification ornithorhynchus, eaten by a snake or a coyote. Let's see some of this bird's adaptation. Many of the bones in a bird's body are hollow, making the bird lightweight and better adapted to flying. Birds also have feathers that make flight easier. Long feathers on the wings and tail help birds balance and steer, and other feathers provide a solution and protect birds from the sun's ultraviolet rays. I wish that I helped you in this video. Bye.